UFO Attack from LEGO Games for 2 to 4 players ages 6 and up. Playtime of 10 to 15 minutes. Launch your rocket and send it back to Earth by collecting energy modules, but beware of the aliens and UFOs. Roll a black, blue or brown, take a matching energy module and add it to your rocket. Roll a red circle for a UFO attack, roll again and zap your opponent's energy modules and add them to your own rocket. 7 or more energy modules and you can launch your rocket, but beware, you can still be attacked by the UFO. Ready to launch? Now roll a red circle. The first rocket launched wins the game. Create and have fun with UFO Attack from LEGO Games. Luck, number skills, social play, space and aliens themed game.
UFO Attack, an out-of-this-world game for 2 to 4 players from 6 years. The first to get 7 or more energy modules onto their rocket ship and launch wins the game. LEGO Games. Much more than a game.